To give you a well-detailed analysis of the Kbrothers Gold Soap, I am going to be sharing with you the benefits of this soap, the side effects of this soap, the ingredients that were used to formulate this soap, whether it is safe for you to use on your face or on your body, and of course, most importantly, I am going to be sharing my personal experience with using the Kbrothers Gold Soap. Thank you for clicking into this video to watch it. My name is Shuga and I am filming from Abuja, Nigeria. Please click the join button below to join our channel membership, and I will be going straight into that video immediately. Now, this is the Kbrothers soap. I have the pack here. It's actually an empty pack, okay? I mean, it's remaining very little right there in my bathroom. But you guys, this is the soap I just finished using. And, hmm, hmm. Before I go right into saying any other thing, okay, my darlings, I'm going to tell you first of all that I loved the packaging of this soap. So it comes in this gold colored pack, and the smell, let me see you guys. You can still perceive the smell from even the pack, okay? The smell is so amazing. Inside of it, for you to know that you have the original, is a leaflet that explains to you everything that this soap does for you. It says it brings out the pure gold in you for smooth and shiny skin. Now, it went further to say that the Kbrothers Gold Soap is well formulated to help clear out dark spots, freckles, blemish, acne, uneven skin tone, and dirt. This well-formed lather natural concentrated formula helps your face and body to be perfectly clean. And now let me tell you one of the reasons why I totally love this product and picked it up, okay, you guys. It is because of the ingredients, you guys. It is because of the ingredients. Now, this product, aside from, the fragrance, the usual like coconut oil or water that was used to produce it, this particular soap specifically contains salicylic acid, niacinamide, vitamin E, collagen. Like, are you listening to what I'm saying right now? It also contains honey and turmeric extract and pure gold leaf. So, I mean, you're using gold to bath. So, I mean, your skin should look like gold. Okay, your skin should look like gold. When I saw the ingredient list of this soap, I knew, this had to be it. And another thing that made me know that this soap is going to be legit and very safe is the fact that the ingredient list is not long. See, one thing that scares me whenever I see skincare products is when you pick them up, turn to the back of the container of that skincare product, and you see that they have like 20 or 30 ingredients listed there. My goodness, my darlings, it screams there will be one or two things in that product that should not be coming in contact with your skin, and unfortunately it's coming in contact with your skin because you're using those products. Aside from the key ingredients I just listed out to you, it also contains sodium hydroxide, water, coconut oil, fragrance, and mica, and that is it, my darlings. It contains something else called C147,000. I mean, those in science or chemistry or physics would understand that, but I don't know what that means. But you guys, this soap is lovely. And of course, I'm not surprised as well, because I mean, the Kbrothers brand is actually one affordable and very effective brand in the market. Now, this soap is supposed to help to deeply cleanse your skin, to nourish your skin, will also visibly brighten your skin. I mean, it contains the turmeric extract, the honey extract, okay, which is going to help to brighten your skin while helping to reduce inflammation. It will help to treat your acne, but not like completely, okay, especially if you do not have very severe breakouts. It is going to help to put your acne in check. It will also leave your skin feeling very refreshed, revitalized, and also moisturizes your skin. And let me tell you one very good or interesting thing that I really like about this soap, not just from what other people said or what the product or the company said, but from my own personal experience, of course, that this soap will not strip your skin of moisture. Now, one of the reasons why I decided to go and look for another face wash is because I started using a particular one. I think that's the simple refreshing face wash, and my skin began to break out, like on my face. I started breaking out. Each time I tried to stop, that particular face wash, the thing will clear out within like 24 hours. But as soon as I continue again, I will start breaking out. So it was clear that that product was breaking me out. And already I had bought this and I was using it for my body. I think I'd been using it for 1 week on my skin. So I decided to say, you know what? They said it's for face and body, right? And it contains salicylic acid and niacinamide, which are very important things that I need as someone who is acne prone or oily skin. So I said, you know what? I'm going to use it on my face. And let me tell you, my darlings, let me tell you, the moment I started to use this on my face, hey, you guys, my skin began to glow, my darlings. My skin began. Let me tell you, see, one very clear one. I used to have a very dark spot that I got around this area, my under eye area, because I don't what was the reason that I even had that thing. I think it was an acne or something that wanted to look like boil that came out here, and I popped it, okay, without even knowing. Honestly, I scratched it and it popped and it gave me, that dark hyperpigmentation there, my darling. See, just from using this soap, it is all cleared. It has disappeared. It has what disappeared. You can see that even the hyperpigmentations I was getting from popping my acne, because I'm not gonna lie, the last acne breakout I had were terrible, and I was tempted to even pop some of them. And I started having very crazy hyperpigmentations. But this soap cleared everything. Like, you guys see my skin glowing. Look at how uniformed my skin tone is, and I am telling you, from head to toe, like, you can literally lick my skin. Honestly, this soap is amazing. Any side effect aside, the time that I was using this soap, honestly, like I said, it just finished, and I'm definitely getting another one. In fact, I'm going to go and pick like 2 or 3 more of these, because I'm gonna be using it. Like, I think I found the next best soap that works for me perfectly, aside the lemon fresh shower gel, and that I usually use, because I used to use that too on my face. Okay, you guys, and you know that from the genesis of this channel, if you are an OG, I always preach the gospel of actually finding products that can work simultaneously for you, both for your face and your body, especially if you are on a budget. So if you're on a budget and you just need something that is affordable, this soap was not up to 2,000 naira when I bought it. I think it was one something, either 1.6 or 1.8 or 2,000 at most. But I know that I didn't spend up to 3,000 naira buying this soap. Okay, as against my soap, it was almost half the price of the soap I was using at the time, which is why I was a bit skeptical, if not for the ingredients. But you guys, this soap is very affordable. Okay, I mean, my Thailand brothers, these people are doing the Lord's work. They are really doing the Lord's work. So, my darlings, I am telling you with my full chest, whether you have a dry skin, an oily skin, a combination skin, an acne prone skin, this soap is magic, you guys. It is magic. I mean, don't you want to use a soap that was made of gold? At least not the literal gold. I mean, gold leaf, basically. Yeah, but please give this soap a try. Give it a try. You can decide to use it, intermittently between what you're currently using to test it out. But honestly, trust me, it should be a staple in your house if you want a clear, glowing skin. And that, of course, my darlings, brings me to the end of this video. Are there other soaps and creams, lotions, toners, skincare products from head to toe that you would like me to review on this channel, or you would want me to help you spot between the fake and the original of these products? Drop them in the comment section below, and I will be getting on to them immediately. Thank you once again for watching this video till the end. Till I come your way next time in my very next pretty videos. Stay said, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that sugar loves you. Bye.